Alright, got a 2003 Chevy Silverado 1500 Z71. Comes with a four-wheel drive package. You got your auto four-wheel drive. You got your rear-wheel drive, which is the two up, and then you got your four high, four low. So GM's the way they made this was just a poorly designed. The solder joints inside of this break away, and then they're touching, so that's sending signals to your computer telling you that you need service on the four-wheel drive. And then also you'll get it to shift without you even pushing the buttons. You'll be driving, feeling the truck a bit, you know, different, and then you notice that it's either on four low, four high, and then you have to turn it off, turn it back on. Sometimes it clears, and then sometimes you have to, you know, push it back to two. So um, I got a new one from Amazon. It ran me about 45 bucks. I'm going to be installing it right now. So we'll see if that cures the problem. I'm just going to set the camera down so you'll kind of see how I take it apart. Let me see here. That should be good right there. So just by looking at this, I know that I'm going to have to shift all the way down. So this is all just snap-ons, pop out. All this comes completely out. Put my panic brakes. Back to drive. This should just pop right out. I don't see anything that might be holding it in place. Alright. I just popped it out. I pulled on this side this way, popped out. So I see the devices that are hooked up in the back here. I can go ahead and just turn off the truck. Put that back right there. Hopefully you guys can see it. Try. Got the top one out. Alright, so I got the top one off first, and then I got the bottom one. And that's what that looks like. If I compare these two, so this is the old one here. It looks like something melted. It's kind of melted. It is. I do live in Phoenix, and temperatures in the car get pretty hot. So this is the new one here, and my truck was constantly going into the service, four-wheel drive. I use it as a daily driver, and every other day it was coming on, and I would just push the road button to clear it to show me the mileage. But anyways, let's put it back in. Oh. I'm gonna need to get a holder for that. Brand new one. Alright, got it back in there. Fit nice and tight, nice and snug, snapped in there. Got a lot of dust from a lot of off-roading. Just crap. No, should probably be a good time to clean all around here. But it's a truck. Fuck it. Fuck. Alright, let's get this back in here. Turn it back on. Probably go all the way to first. Everything just snaps back on into place once you got it. So again, emergency brakes were pushed. Everything just, we got one that's not going in here. It's not in the hole. Got it in the hole. So you shouldn't be fighting it. If you're fighting it, then you're not inside the hole. Alright, that's in, that's in. What the hell's that? So anyways, I got this back in. I'm gonna put this back into park. Close my door. Start up the truck. Test it out real quick. My high. I heard it. Engage. My low. My auto 4 works. My front works. I can hear it. If I put it on neutral, oh, I heard that engage. Back to up. I heard that one. Back to 2. I don't know if you can see it here, but you can kind of see the light on the side here, which with the original one you couldn't, but as long as it works, I'd be happy. Reverse. Seems like it's not going on. So it's June 19, 2013. Pitbull's in town in Keisha, and the pavilion's just gonna be fucking slam packed tonight. So I just try to bust a quick U-turn here, which 3-point turn. Son of a bitch. Came back on. Well, that didn't work. Now if you push this button here, the road one, clear that back up. Maybe I gotta reset the whole computer. Well, anyways, that's how you change that out if you're having issues with it.